Right, so what we did in the last video is we added a domain TLD and a registrar, and we registered a domain, and I showed you how it worked through Upmind. But what you'll probably want to do is add your domain checker into your own website. And so you can do that easily here with a widget. So if you go to host control and then domain names, go to widgets, it gives you a bit of code you can copy. So I've installed a brand new WordPress. I've found literally the first theme I could find that looks like a hosting company theme. It looks terrible to me, but I guess I haven't configured it. And this isn't a WordPress tutorial video, so I just want to show you how to embed a widget. So I'm going to edit this page, and then I'm going to go to. By the way, this is Classic Editor. You could do it the same way in the other editor, which I guess I should probably do. So we're in a normal WordPress editor now. We want to go to code, in fact, custom HTML, right, HTML. So here we need to replace this. So this needs to go placed with my.hostbilling.co.uk. This is the domain you want to replace it with. So this will be your instance of Upmind. And then order product, currency USD, update. So now, hopefully if I go, yeah, you see a domain search. And if I go to host billing directly, now you see I've got this domain search on the bottom. So I can search mydomain.com and it should come up with these domains that are available. And if I click this, it should take me through to my order system, and you can see it's pre-filled the information here. So it was as simple as that. Now, there are a couple of errors that you might hit that I just want to run you through. Number one, if you haven't replaced order config URL or your currency, you're going to get some errors. If I, for example, replace this with Australian dollars, let's see what happens. It just doesn't work. If I didn't put in this, it doesn't work. If I misspelt this, you get misbehavior basically. So your errors are usually going to be because you've got one of these things wrong. You see it now works. The other thing that you need to do that we haven't had to do because we'd previously added it is you need to make sure that the domain that you've installed the widget on is in this domains list under settings domain. So for example, if I installed this on actually hostbilling.com, it's not my domain, but hostbilling.com, I would want to make sure that that domain is here as a domain. I don't need to change the 8 records or anything like that. It's just like this. That's how we know where the request is coming from and that it's legitimate. Very simple. I hope you saw how simple adding a domain widget checker to your site was.